Good morning, class. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the advantage of computer. First of all, we will understand the concept of computer. Okay. So, do you know what is computer? Computer is just like a machine. Anything. Suppose you are using your mobile phone at home. The mobile phone is multi-purpose machine. You can capture photos, you can store your important documents in your file, है ना? So also a machine, it is a electronic machine. So we will understand the concept of computer. A computer is an electronic device, is an electronic device that accept input from users and give meaningful result, give meaningful result as output. A computer have high storage capacity, high, it is reliable, reliable means a computer can work continuously. Whatever the assigned work given to a computer never take rest. It is constantly working. If the work is not finished, a computer never take rest. So it is reliable and cost effective. A computer work on the principle called IPO, called IPO cycle. Suppose when you are appear to the class, the instructions the teacher will provide you. This is your homework. Suppose you are attending the computer class and the sir will given you do these questions at your homework. So what you will do? First I will instruct you. So that is known as input. The teacher will given you input. At home you will practice for the problem. Whatever the questions you are practicing, that is your processing part. And final, the day after, you will come to the school again and you will show your result. Sir, whatever the question yesterday you just prescribe us, I just completed. So this is known as IPO. Similarly, your mother is cooking food na? Your mother is cooking food. So what she will do? She will use the grains under the cooker. Huh? She will put the grain and lighten the gas stove, add some water. After few minutes, when the stove get heated, food inside the cooker get cooked. How they cooked? Because you stare for a 1 hour without disturbance on a gas stove, and after the processing the food get cooked and you will ready to serve. This is known as IPO cycle. First what we will do, we will give the inputs to the computer, then after some time computer process the result and then he will give your result accordingly whatever you have instructed to the computer. Someone wants to play games on a PC. What he will do? First he will go to the start button, then he will search the name of the game, suppose Firefall, ठीक है, Fireball, then he will select open the program, you will open the Fireball program on your PC, then you will play the game as per your instruction. Computer work accordingly. How many of you understand? Okay, next. So the mode through which you can give the information to the computer is known as input device. The mode through which you can give the instruction to the computer, because already I explained you computer is what? Computer is a electronic machines, and simply you understand a machine, anything which save your time. Getting any output from the computer, we have to instruct the computer. The computer accept the instruction through input device. Input device, and after some time process the input. Processing is done in the processing unit, that is known as CPU, central processing unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer, and the all processing work done in a CPU. After some time it will convert your result. Result should be displayed through output device. Our result should be displayed through output device. Your Aadhaar card. So what you will do? You will scan copy, you will keep in your mobile. If Aadhaar card will be lost, you can get it from your mobile. You can retrieve easily from your mobile also. If you have the scanned copy, then you can retrieve your Aadhaar card. So similarly, scanner is an input device. Suppose you want to write a letter. If you want to write the name of 5-10 friends, so you will go to the MS Word using the keyboard, and you will write the names of your friend. That is a part. Keyboard is an input device. Mouse is also an input device. Mouse is also known as pointing device. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, all these are input device. Microphone, barcode reader, these all input device. Touch screen, okay, touch screen is also an input device. So what are the different types of output device? Monitor shows the result on the screen. Output device. Speaker is an output device, है ना? So these are the output device. Projection is also an output device. Computer have 3 types of devices: input devices, output devices, and storage devices. A computer have large space of memory. Memory, you understand, everyone have big brain, है ना? Suppose how you will identify your friend and your parents? By recognizing the pictures through brain. Suppose whenever you saw your father, what you will do? You will respect to your father. Good morning, good afternoon. So all the work done from the brain. So similarly, computer also have a storage devices. All the information and data get stored in hard disks. Hard disk is a storage device which is used to store data and informations. Suppose there are 2 types of memory. In a computer, there are 2 types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory and a primary memory is an inbuilt memory, and secondary memory is also known as auxiliary memory or external memory. Everyone have mobile phone at their home. Inside a mobile phone you have insert a chip, that is known as, suppose your mobile internal data is fulfilled, so you will insert a chip inside the mobile. After inserting the chip, you can able to store a large amount of your photos and videos. Coming to the next topic, a computer mainly have 2 parts: hardware and software. Hardware means the physical parts Suppose this is a board, I can touch. This is a pen, this is a marker, na? So you can touch the marker. This is a physical things. So what is hardware? Any physical and tangible substance which you can touch and see is called hardware. Software is what? A software is a set of program. A software is a which govern the operation of the computer. All these activities are governed by software. There are three types of software: operating system, application system, application software, and third one is utility software. For PC, MacFree.
So ठीक है.
MacFree is a antivirus software. So you can install MacFree on your PC to avoid problems. Suddenly some malware and they will infect your computer. So the protections of our computer, we use utility software for the protections of our PC. Application software means there are certain applications. Microsoft Office tools, it's a package of application software. There are a lot of applications like MS Word, MS Paint, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel. So in this application software, the application software were designed to do only one type of activity. Suppose if when you open a calculator on your PC, so what you will do? You will do only calculations.